simplify 2x cubed y squared 3x squared y raised to 4 over x raised to 4 y raised to the power of 4. So i-multiply muna natin yung coefficient na 2 and 3 and then yung x cubed times x squared. So ina-add natin yung exponent no kapag nag-multiply, and ganoon din yung y, so 2 plus 4, and ilagay na natin yung denominator. Yan. So next, i-perform na natin yung operation. So 2 times 3, 6. And sa exponent, 3 plus 2 ay 5. At sa y, 2 plus 4 is 6. So meron tayo dyan y raised to the power of 6. And kopyahin yung denominator. So dito ay magde-divide tayo. So yung coefficient muna. Yon, so 6 divided by 1. So wala kayong nakita na 1 dyan sa baba kasi automatic meron na yan. No? And sinasubtract natin ang exponent kapag nagde-divide ng base o yung variable. Ayan, sasubtract natin. So yung coefficient, i-divide. 6 divided by 1 is 6. 5 minus 4 is 1. So hindi na natin sinusulat yung exponent kapag 1. And 6 minus 4 equals 2 or y squared. Final answer, 6x y squared.